Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we are cooking up some meatless red pea soup. So for today's recipe, we'll be using some all things we not see. Everything with there, yeah, so I gotta go in the soup there. No sir, a whole heap of ingredients there. So we'll get right into the video, and as always, all the quantity for the ingredients will be listed in the description box below. Let's get into the video. So I'm going to start washing my peas. I've washed and rinsed them about 3 times, ready for cooking. Now that I've finished washing my peas, I'm adding 2 liters of water to my pot to begin cooking. I'm back to my pot after 20 minutes and my peas have risen to the top. Usually I'll soak my peas overnight, but I didn't have the time to do so before recording this recipe. So my grandmother always told me that when I cook my peas dry, add some cold water once it comes to a boil and the peas will sink down to the bottom. So I'm adding another liter of cold water to do just that. I'm also going to peel and chop about 5 cloves of garlic and a knob of ginger to add to continue cooking with my peas. So guys, whilst my peas are cooking, I'm going to peel, chop and wash my vegetables to add to my soup. With my pumpkin, I'm first going to cut my bigger pieces, leaving the skin on, and I'm also cutting some smaller pieces without the skin to cook down and to add to the thickness of the soup. It's been about 40 minutes since we've added our ginger and our garlic to our pot, and now our peas are half cooked, so we can add in our vegetables. I'm also adding in another liter of water. So now I'm kneading together my flour, cornmeal and salt, and I'm also adding a little water to thyme to make my dumplings. You want to knead your mixture until you get a dough-like texture. I'll be adding my dumplings 45 minutes after my vegetables, along with the rest of my ingredients and seasonings for my soup. So now I'm adding my corn, all-purpose, salt, Aromat, Maggie All-purpose. I'm adding my cloves, my bullet pepper. I'm also going in with some spring onions and thyme, my vegetable stock, pimento seeds, my coconut milk, and some noodles. And another half a liter of boiled water. About 30 minutes after we've added the rest of our ingredients to our pot, the soup is ready. And woo! Look at this, the pot a bubble and not see no trouble, right? Alright. All that's left for you to do is enjoy. If you enjoyed watching this video, please let us know in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe.